the best deal in town. For only $430K, you can get a large one-bedroom apartment that's 720 square feet. Welcome to my new listing. It's always sunny with me. This is your realtor, Jersey Lee, at 15160 108 Avenue, Surrey. Penthouse level 310. Let's go. Unit 310. Welcome in. Hey Jeff, take over.
Okay, well everyone, welcome to Unit 310, and let's just have a look around. Look at this huge kitchen, full U-shape, everything there. You got your full dining room table that you have space for. You even have space for a whole working area, a living room with TV, 2 3-seater, as well as an entire piano onto our right side here. Imagine all the extra space you have to put things. Okay, and welcome to the master's bedroom. Look how big it is. A full queen size bed, tons of extra storage space, and enough space for hide and seek. Look at that. And then on the left hand side we have 2 walk-in closets as well as the washroom.